This is going to be a video tutorial on how to view your applied jobs on the Monster app. I will be using an iPhone for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone open now and I am on the Monster app. To view the jobs that you have applied for on Monster, you want to go down to the tabs at the bottom and you want to tap on the one that says Me, the Me icon. And then that presents you with your app history down here. You could scroll through it. You could scroll down and see the jobs that you have applied for. You can tap on them to view them again. I'm going to hit the X in the upper left-hand corner to close that. But that is how you view the jobs that you have applied for on Monster. Thanks for watching.